Looks really good, man. The tenderness and juiciness that I'm familiar with when a brisket is great is there, but the flavor profile is significantly different. It almost tastes sweet. I think it's from all that fat smoke falling into the coals, giving you that flavor. There's no sugar in this. We just put salt and pepper on it, but it tastes sweet.
I've always said fat smoke is very sweet, very savory. It's a different aromatic than like an earthy wood tone.
Wow. And the texture on the outside that you were able to get is great too. So when we wrapped it, it brought it back, but it's just the right level. That was pretty incredible, man.
Good.
I'm gonna have to do this on my own and figure out whatever kind of witchcraft you use to get that kind of flavor on a piece of meat that I've eaten hundreds of times, but never gotten this kind of flavor. So this is really cool. If you guys haven't given it a shot, give it a try, okay? You can manage the heat with the height of the grate above the fire, and you can get flavor that you're not gonna impart by any other means.